Hi, I'm Amanda from Pressed Tin Panels, and today we're going to show you how to install a kitchen splashback. We've used the clover panel in a powder coat colour called Steel Pearl.
The powder coated panels we are using in this video have been cut and folded in our workshop. This is a service that we can provide. Some small modifications may be needed on site, and power point and tap holes will need to be cut on site also. We recommend before gluing the panel into place, do a dry run and make sure everything fits okay. Apply a good quality wet area silicone to the back of the panel. Make sure you have a generous amount around the edges to create a good seal. When putting the next sheet into position, make sure the overlaps of each sheet fit correctly. In some cases, pop rivets may be required to hold the sheet into position. Measure and cut the tile edge to suit, and glue also into position. The final process is to apply a bead of ultra clear silicone along the bench top to create a watertight seal.